automotive industry is large with 100 million cars sold a year and an installed base of over 1 billion vehicles on the road. Auto is at the beginning of a few inflection points that together create compelling opportunities for NVIDIA. First, advancements in electrification have pushed OEMs to re-architect their cars from the ground up into software-defined vehicles that use centralized, high-performance computers that can provide a large and growing list of new features and services over the life of a vehicle. Second, these services give OEMs an exciting opportunity to transform their business model like we have seen Tesla do with their autopilot software that has grown in price from less than $5,000 to $12,000 a car today. As part of this AV software disruption, we're seeing an order of magnitude 10x in compute increase in vehicles as partners use twice the number of sensors in their cars, with each sensor supporting 5 to 10x the resolution of current sensors in production. These cars are also being developed with more advanced machine learning algorithms that enable the development of vehicles that support L2+, all the way up to advanced full self-driving capability. Now, we're just at the beginning of these inflection points. Today, electric vehicles and vehicles with L2+ or higher software represent less than 10% of cars sold a year. But in the next decade, a majority of the vehicles being sold each year should be electric, software-defined vehicles that support L2+ or higher capability. Now, we've invested heavily to develop a full-stack solution for the automotive market. We offer our Hyperion platform in vehicles that includes our Orin SoC and reference compute and sensor architecture. We also offer DGX and OVX servers and data centers that partners can use for AI training, map generation, and system validation. We try to make our car-to-cloud experience seamless by supporting common SDKs, APIs, and libraries end-to-end. We have 3 layers to our automotive software stack above our hardware layer. All partners can take our core operating system that runs on our hardware. Many take our DriveWorks acceleration middleware that makes it easy to efficiently run advanced AI applications on our platform. And some partners like Mercedes-Benz and Jaguar Land Rover use our full stack application software across their car and cloud infrastructure. In such cases, the entire NCAP, parking, mapping, autopilot, and even some IX software is developed by NVIDIA in partnership with our OEM partners. Autopilot and AI cockpit application development is a grand challenge. It requires high-performance computing, platform programmability and scalability, advanced machine learning and robotics know-how, as well as expertise in functional safety and cybersecurity. NVIDIA is unique in our ability to help our partners across this entire stack, from chips and software in the vehicle, to data collection services in cars, to AI training, map creation services in the cloud, to application software from AV to cockpit in cars, and finally onto simulation for vehicle validation. We invest to improve our solution across the entire stack because we believe what will most differentiate automotive companies is the speed of their end-to-end development flow, from finding an issue in a car to root causing it, providing a fix that's quickly validated, and then securely OTAing better software into every vehicle. We estimate auto to be a large $300 billion market opportunity, and NVIDIA's opportunity spans both hardware, software, and services in the car and in the cloud. Inside the vehicle, there are nearly 100 million cars sold a year that will each need a high-performance computer. We offer these OEMs our Tegra SoCs and discrete GPUs along with our operating system and DriveWorks acceleration SDK and libraries. When these partners go to production, we have the ability to support them with long-term software services that ensure they have a safe and secure experience for their customers over the life of their vehicle. We also offer application software to partners, which gives them the ability to increase the revenue opportunity in their cars. Our business model here is to share in the revenues generated by the software we provide to our partners. We're especially excited about this software opportunity as they can even be larger than the hardware opportunity in each vehicle. Now, on the infrastructure side, there are close to over 100 OEMs that need DGX systems for training, OVX servers for validation, and we also can offer them a range of software services, For example, Drive Replicator can be licensed to build up virtual vehicles and create synthetic data for our partners' AV software development. And with our recent acquisition of DeepMap, we have the ability to build maps at scale for partners' own AV stacks worldwide. Both our car and cloud market is well positioned to grow, as the investment needed for L2+ is many times larger than the NCAP-only cars, and true full self-driving will also require an order of magnitude larger investment than L2+. We have a large pipeline of wins in automotive that we have announced will be going to production in the next few years. Our traction is strong across all the segments of the automotive market. We have won designs in 20 of the top 30 EV car OEMs. We're working with 7 of the top trucking companies, 8 of the top robotaxi companies, and we help all of the leading OEMs with their infrastructure in the cloud. Beyond working with OEMs, we have an open platform strategy that we believe is a big differentiator for our partner ecosystem. We have an inception team that targets all automotive startups worldwide. We work with many of the major universities who use the Drive platform for their automotive and robotics education programs. We also partner with Tier 1s, software providers, sensor and simulation partners to help them better develop their application on our platform. We learn a lot from each of these engagements and use the learnings to make our Drive platform roadmap even better for our future automotive partners. We announced last year that our automotive pipeline was $8 billion over the 6-year period from fiscal 2022 to 2028. Orin has been a huge success. With all the wins we have announced over the last year, we're providing an update that our 6-year pipeline from fiscal 23 to 2029 is now estimated at $11 billion. You'll start seeing this ramp scale up this year with production of Orin NEVs from partners like NIO, Li Auto, XPeng, and SAIC's R brand. We'll see a bigger ramp in the following years as OEMs like BYD, Hyundai, Volvo ramp up, and we'll even be able to scale even further when Mercedes and JLR, as well as our partners in the L4 commercial trucking and robotaxi market scale beyond fiscal 2025. Now I would like to introduce you to Rev, who's going to tell you about Omniverse.